Hi, today we're going to evaluate this factorial fraction. Let's start by reminding ourselves what a factorial is. 10 factorial equals 10 times 9 times 8 all the way down to 1. 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 all the way down to 1. Therefore, another way of writing 10 factorial is 10 times 9 factorial. And another way of writing 9 factorial is 9 times 8 factorial. Now that we understand that, let's rewrite this fraction. This becomes 10 times 9 times 8 factorial less 9 times 8 factorial less 8 factorial. And the denominator becomes 10 times 9 times 8 factorial plus 9 times 8 factorial plus 8 factorial. You'll notice that 8 factorial is a common term throughout. So I'm now going to pull that out. So this now becomes 8 factorial times 10 times 9 less 9 less 1. And similarly, the denominator becomes 8 factorial times 10 times 9 plus 9 plus 1. The 8 factorials now cancel, leaving us with a simple fraction. The top is 90 minus 9 minus 1, and the denominator is 90 plus 9 plus 1. This evaluates to 80 on the top, 100 underneath, and a grand total of 0.8. And that's the answer. Did you get it? That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please check out my channel where there's a lot more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Pi squared.